Okay, so in this video I'm going to be explaining one of the things that could be causing your engine not to run after you've replaced the points, the condenser, the coil, and checked that it's getting gas. There is another thing that can possibly be causing you not to technically get spark, which is the thing that condenser, coil, and points should get you. If you're not getting spark at the spark plug, well, this will be your reason. So stick around to the end of the video, you'll see the reason why. And for most of the video it's going to be pretty shots of the 57 Fairlane here, because it was just meant to be a filler video, and it kind of became bigger than that because this car right here had this exact issue when I started filming the filler video. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so today I was just gonna make a filler video because I didn't have anything really that I did. So I was gonna make a filler video with the 57 Fairlane that my dad's selling to someone. because I got it recently out of the grass and running for them so they could buy it. I'm not sure if they are yet, not sure anything about that, but I was gonna make it as a filler video, just starting it up and running it and taking pretty photos of it. And that's basically what you're seeing until the end here, where I'm gonna explain what involved this. Now, what I mean by that is, you can hear it's running fine now, but so at the beginning of the video, I started up and it started kind of iffy, but that was normal because there was rotten gas in it at that point. And then right after I got the first clip done, turned the camera off and was gonna do the drive-by, it some reason died, just flat out died. I figured it was out of gas because there wasn't much in it to begin with then. Have to hold the throttle for a little bit here because it's being a little funky again, but it just flat out died. And as I said, I figured it was probably just the gas, so I went and, since it was rotten gas in it to begin with and I was running on rotten gas, I just figured, I'll flush the tank while I'm at it. So I took the plug off the pan, put a little new gas in it and let it drain out and flush itself out a bit, and it still didn't start. And it was getting gas. I knew that because I could press the priming on the pedal and it would squirt out gas, so I knew it had gas. Well, it wasn't a gas problem. Somebody put, can't tell if you can, somebody put fiber cables in it. And if you've ever done a thing with mechanics, you'd know that fiber spark plug wires don't work in old points type ignition systems. They melt and then they don't transfer. So what I have here is the coil to distributor wire, the one that gets the most technical use, because every time my other cylinder fires, this one gets burnt, so it gets 8 times the use since it's a V8, and it didn't fire through it. So I realized that because I kind of wondered about it, and I checked it, and that turned out to be the solution. So I replaced that and it's fired right back up. As you can see, it's running fine. A little bit of idle problem, but that could be tuning. And generator light comes on because it's running slow. So yeah, so the filler video became a kind of what can happen to a car video when you use fiber cords. So that would be a high possibility thing if you had a perfectly running engine and you had, like, you recently did the condenser and the points and the coil was good and it died. You either put these on it or somebody else did. That's a good thing for small engine and large engine. Never put fiber spark plug wire on an old engine. It just doesn't work. So luckily, at the same time as I didn't really have any time to do an extra video, I managed to make an extra video. So maybe that'll help somebody out there that sees this video that they're wondering why they don't have spark even though they have a fresh condenser and all that stuff in their mag and distributor. It could simply be the spark plug wires. So always check that. If it's fiber wire on an old engine, replace it. No, it doesn't work. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't, well, I don't know how you couldn't like this video. It's a 57 Fairlane and a way to tell you that your spark plug wire is bad. So if you have somebody that might have this problem, please share this video with them. And leave a comment if you have something else you want to say about the fiber wires, like if you have a reason that they're good, which I mean for these I haven't found a reason that they would be. But if you so I guess I have nothing else really to say. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully next week. I'm done with school for this part of the year, but for some reason I'm still not getting enough stuff to put videos out, but that was mostly because it was above 100 all week, which was too hot for me to work outside. So, yep, see you next time. Bye-bye.